This course explores ways leaders can improve an organization by creating a more inclusive work environment and workforce, and a broader range of services and products to customers. Discover how your organization can grow by developing a greater inclusivity by designing effective teams. The course is focused on teaching professionals how to design and build teams that work both effectively and efficiently. Topics covered include team structure, communication, leadership, and motivation. Participants will learn about the key components of high-performing teams, including clear goals, well-defined roles, and a positive work culture. The course will also explore the impact of team design on team performance and the factors that contribute to team success. Participants will develop the skills and knowledge needed to create and lead teams that are highly effective, motivated, and productive. By the end of the course, participants will have a deep understanding of the key principles and practices of effective team design.